Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent LIMBURGSE VLAAI, a pastry with a filling. This is how we say LIMBURGSE VLAAI. LIMBURGSE VLAAI. There is a light emphasis on the second word, LIMBURGSE VLAAI. LIM-BURG-SE VLAAI. LIMBURGSE VLAAI. The Limburgse Vlaai originates from the province of Limburg, which you can find both in the Netherlands and just across the border into Belgium. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!